The Son of Man came to serve and to give his life as a ransom for many. Praise the Lord, Jerusalem. Blessed Wednesday in the 8th week in ordinary time. We praise and thank you, dear God, for the gift of today. Today is a Muslim holiday and so walang pasok ang lahat. It's a holiday. And allow me to mention the gospel, but I will not read because medyo mahaba ito. Yung gospel is yung pagpanik nila sa Jerusalem. They were going there, it was on their way going up to Jerusalem. Jesus went ahead of them. And so may pag-uusap doon, sinabi ni Jesus na he will be handed over to the Gentiles, na siya ay papatayin, pagkatapos, after 3 days, he will rise. So sinabi niya yung kasama niya, yung mga apostles niya. Tapos, si James at saka si John, yung anak ni Zebedee, came to Jesus and said, "Teacher, we want you to do this for us, whatever we ask of you," sabi niya. "And what do you wish me to do for you?" Ang sabi nila, "Grant that in your glory we may sit one at your right and the other at your left." So gusto nila maupo sa kaharian ng Diyos sa kaliwa at saka sa kanan. Kaya nga, ang sabi ni Father kanina sa kanyang homily, dito nagmula yung trip to Jerusalem na laro natin sa mga parties. Kasi 'di ba, sa trip to Jerusalem, nag-uunahan tayo dahil kailangan makaupo tayo dahil 'di ba kulang ang upuan, dito hango ang ating ebanghelyo. So napakagandang alalahanin, gunitain dahil sinabi ni Jesus, yung pag-upo sa kaliwa at sa kanan ko is not mine to give. Kung hindi, kung sino ang tinalaga ng Diyos Ama para doon. At ang sinabi niya sa huli, "Whoever wishes to be great among you will be your servant. Whoever wishes to be first among you will be slave of all." Kasi dumating siya dito sa mundo, hindi para pagsilbihan, kundi para maglingkod. Ito pa, "For the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve, and to give his life as a ransom for many." So, tandaan natin, kasi pinaliwanag ni Jesus na yung mga naglilingkod, yung may mga